The vertical continuous sealer machine is a reliable and efficient solution for sealing pouches in a fast and professional manner. Specially designed for packaging liquid, powder, and granular products, this machine allows vertical sealing to prevent spillage and ensure secure closure. It is ideal for industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, agriculture, and FMCG, where strong and consistent sealing is essential. With adjustable temperature control and variable speed settings, the machine delivers uniform, airtight, and leak-proof seals for different types of laminated and heat-sealable pouches. Its continuous operation system ensures high productivity while reducing manual effort and time consumption. The sturdy industrial-grade construction, low maintenance requirements, and user-friendly controls make it easy to operate and highly durable for long-term use. By providing neat finishing, reliable performance, and cost-effective operation, the vertical continuous sealer machine enhances both packaging quality and production efficiency. For more information, connect with us through the contact details given below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video